If you start a business today, how much of it truly belongs to you after debts and expenses? That's what owner's equity tells us. Owner's equity is the value left in a business after subtracting liabilities from assets. It represents the owner's actual financial interest in the business. Owner's equity is equals to assets minus liabilities. Let's take a real life analogy. Imagine you buy a house for $500,000 but take a mortgage of $300,000. Your actual ownership or equity is equals to $500,000 minus $300,000 is equals to $200,000. Components of owner's equity. Owner's capital. Initial and additional investments made by the owner. For example, you start a bakery with $20,000 from personal savings. This is owner's capital. Retained earning. Profit that are reinvested in the business instead of being withdrawn. For example, your bakery earns $10,000 in profit. Instead of withdrawing, you reinvest in better equipment. The business value grows, increasing equity. Drawings. Owner's withdrawals. If an owner withdraws cash or assets, equity decreases. For example, you take $5,000 from your bakery business for personal use. Equity decreases. Net income or loss. Profits increase in equity. Losses decrease in equity. Other factors that affect equity. Business growth increase equity. New investment increases equity. Liability or debt reduces equity. Asset depreciation reduces equity. Owner's equity versus shareholders' equity. Let's have a look on the features. In ownership, owner's equity is of individual or small business, but in shareholders' equity, multiple shareholders have the ownership. In owner's equity, the business type is sole proprietorship and partnership, while in shareholders' equity, business type is corporation. In owner's equity, the profit distribution is of the owner whatever the owner decided. But in shareholders' equity, profit distribution is profit goes to shareholders as dividends. In owner's equity does not affected by stock market, but shareholders' equity is affected by the stock market. Example of shareholders' equity. In Apple, shareholders' equity is $90 billion. Instead of keeping all profits, Apple pays dividend to shareholders. How owner's equity changes over time. Scenario where equity increases. Business makes a profit. Owners invest for more capital. Assets appreciate in value. Liabilities decrease. Debt prepayments. Scenarios where equity decreases. Business suffers a loss. Owners withdraw money. Company takes on more debts. Let's take a real world example. Real world case study. Amazon. Amazon started as an online bookstore in 1994 with minimal capital. Over the years, it reinvested profits instead of paying dividends. This led to massive retained earnings and an increase in equity. Let's take an example of a small business. A local coffee shop has cash of $15,000, equipment of $30,000, inventory of $5,000, loan payable of $10,000. So total assets we add all these and we will get $50,000. Total liabilities are of $10,000. Owner's equity is equals to assets minus liabilities. So we deduct $10,000 from $50,000 and we will get $40,000. Let's take another example of a large business. A company has building and equipment of $2 million, cash and inventory of $500,000, liabilities, loan or expenses of $1.2 million. owner's equity is equals to 2.5 million minus 1.2 million. So we will get 1.3 million. This means the owner has $1.3 million as their stake in the company. How to increase owner's equity? Increase revenue and profits by improving sales and reducing costs. Reinvest profits. Instead of withdrawing, reinvest in business growth. Reduce debt. Paying off liabilities increases equity. Acquire valuable assets. Assets that appreciate over time, like real estate, increase equity. Common mistakes and misconceptions. Confusing equity with cash. Owner's equity includes all assets, not just cash. Thinking profit equals equity. Equity depends on liabilities too. Believing more debts means more equity. Debt reduces net equity. Real life business cases. Case study number 1. Tesla's high equity growth in 2010. And Tesla had negative equity due to losses. By 2023, Tesla's equity exceeds $30 billion due to reinvest and profitability. Case study number 2. Small business failure due to low equity. Our restaurant owner takes on too much debt, $500,000 of loan, but only has $100,000 in assets. Since liabilities exceeds assets, the business goes bankrupt due to negative equity. Historical perspective on owner's equity. The concept of owner's equity can be traced back to Luca Pacioli in 1494, the father of modern accounting, who introduced the accounting equation assets is equals to liabilities plus owner's equity or equity. Historical example. In ancient Venice, merchants financed trade vogues using a shared equity model. Profits were split based on ownership stakes, a primitive form of today's equity accounting. Advanced components of owner's equity. Contributed capital versus earned capital. Contributed capital, direct investment by the owner, while earned capital is the money earned through business operations or retained earnings. Equity accounts for different business structures. We have 3 types of businesses. We have sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. In sole proprietorship, equity account name is owner's equity, while in partnership it's partner's equity, and in corporation it's shareholders equity. In sole proprietorship, the unique feature is single owner, no stock shares, while in partnership each partner has a separate capital account, and in corporation, equity is divided into stocks, common and preferred. Role of owner's equity in business valuation. When valuing a business for sale or investment, owner's equity is a key indicator of financial health. Formula for business value. Business valuation is equals to owner's equity plus goodwill plus market position. Adjustment to owner's equity in financial statements. Revaluation of assets. If an asset gains value, real estate appreciates. Equity increases. For example, a shop's property bought for $100,000 is now worth $200,000, increasing owner's equity. Adjustment to owner's equity in financial statements. Unrealized gains and losses. Stock or property investment owned by the business affect owner's equity. For example, a company owns shares in Tesla that rise in value. This adds to equity even before selling them. Advanced financial ratio involving owner's equity. These ratios help investors analyze business performance, return on investment or ROE, profitability measure. Return on investment is equals to net income over owner's equity multiplied by 100. A company with $200,000 net income and $1 million equity has a ROE of 20%, meaning strong profitability. Debt to equity ratio, financial stability, DE is equals to total liabilities over Owner's equity. A company with $500,000 of debt and a million thousand equity has a debt to equity ratio of 0.5, meaning low financial risk. Equity multiplier, business leverage. Equity multiplier is equals to total assets over owner's equity. Tax implication of owner's equity. Equity itself is not taxed, but withdrawals, drawings, and dividends may be taxable. Tax tip. Reinvesting profits instead of withdrawing them can reduce tax liabilities. Real life business applications of owner's equity. Case study. Jeff Bezos and Amazon. In 1994, Jeff Bezos started Amazon with $10,000 personal investment. This was his owner's equity. Instead of withdrawing profit, he reinvested, increasing retained earnings, growing Amazon's owner's equity. Case study. Elon Musk and Tesla's high debt strategy. Tesla had negative equity for years due to massive debt and reinvestments. By 2021, Tesla's equity turned positive, showing how long-term reinvestment can convert liabilities into future equity. How to use owner's equity for business growth. Leverage equity to get loans. Banks offer better loan terms if a business has strong equity. For example, a company with $500,000 equity can get low interest loans for expansion. Attracting investors with high equity. Investors prefer businesses with strong equity as it signals financial stability. For example, a startup with high retained earnings is more attractive to venture capitalists. Business exit strategy and selling a company. High owner's equity increases a business selling price. For example, a restaurant with $100,000 owner's equity might sell for $150,000 for or more due to goodwill. Psychological and strategic aspects of owner's equity. Owner's equity and business confidence. A high equity balance gives business owners confidence to expand and take calculated risks. For example, a company with $1 million in equity is more likely to launch a new product than one with $10,000 of equity. Employee ownership and shared equity models. Some businesses offers employees a stake equity sharing to boost motivation. For example, tech companies like Google and Facebook offer stock options to employees, increasing loyalty and performance. Owner's equity is the heart of any business. Protect it, grow it, and leverage it for success. Conclusion and final thought. Owner's equity is the owner's true stake in a business. It is affected by investments, profits, withdrawals, and liabilities. Increasing equity makes businesses more financially stable. Owner's equity isn't just a financial number, it's a measure of business strength, investor confidence, and long-term success. Businesses should aim for positive, growing equity to ensure financial stability and growth. So, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Learn with Eamon for more finance lessons. Till then, happy learning!